Hey, my name is Megan Jenkins, and I'm super excited to take this class. I'm currently in this class right now because of COVID-19. My university, Liberty University in Lynchburg, Virginia, canceled all their summer intensives, and so I needed this to kind of stay on track with my degree. Um, and yeah, so that's why I'm taking the course, and I'm super excited to have found this university that's offering all these courses online. I'm a biomed major, so I'm thinking towards going the osteopathic doctor route, but we'll see. I'm looking to be a psychiatrist, so I'm super excited about that and hoping that's where life takes me. Few things about me. I just got married in January, so hit it at the perfect time, right before the whole pandemic, and it was a beautiful wedding. We had a ton of fun. My husband's name is Jordan. He just graduated and he was offered a job in Washington, D.C., so that's super exciting. I love to run. I'm currently training for the Boston Marathon that was moved to September instead of Patriots Day, where it typically is on Monday in April. So that's super exciting, qualified for that, and I'm really looking forward to being able to go. Um, Anatomy and physiology have always been my favorite classes in school, so I'm super excited to take this one online. I've taken the lower level physiology, so I'm interested to see the depth that comes from this upper level course. And I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you and super excited for what the next 8 weeks hold.